The acting ODM party leader, Dr. Oburu Oginga, has come out to calm down the storm inside the ODM party. He said that Embakasi East MP Babu Owino should not fear being locked out of the Nairobi governor race. Oburu Oginga made these remarks during a live interview on Ramogi TV, where he promised that the ODM nominations will be free, fair, and transparent. Oburu said that he doesn't see any reason Bab should not get the party ticket if he wins fairly. He even revealed that he has been trying to reach Babu Owino personally, just to ensure him that there is no plan to block him from ODM. He also defended ODM Secretary General Edwin Sifuna by saying that he remains loyal to the party despite his sometimes restless and nature. This conversation, ladies and gentlemen, takes us deep into ODM's internal power struggle, a party that is still mourning the loss of Raila Odinga, yet trying to stay united. Babu Owino's fear and Oburu's reassurance reveal something bigger. ODM is walking a tight political rope between generational change and loyalty to Raila's legacy. The question many are now asking is this: who will lead ODM into 2027? And could the young generation led by Babu Owino finally challenge the old guard?